pirañas cubanas. ¿Sabes cuáles son las pirañas cubanas?
¡Al agua! ¡Al agua! ¡Al agua! Oh!
Lagto kayo, pang babae lang dyan.
Daddy!
Yeah, you go swim. Makikita mo tanunay kiti ata makikita.
Luego se corren, going, no combat tu paradero.
Takayo lang ka nang.
Ay, di talangag. So,
The best place.
Pwede nga yung smoking, gigos dala. Nakitaan dalagi sila. Lagi na. Ay, pwede min na lagi kom lakay.
No, pues princesa.
Lagi kwam.
Princess.
Can the kids go? Can the kids go? Just swim? Oh no.
Papa.
Excuse
Papa.
Amigo,
No problem, it's okay.
they're not gonna move. They're just gonna stay here only.
Yeah.
No problem, it's okay.
You see the fish there? Yeah, you can go, Mariel. So far.
Hindi na lagi ko na ni lakay ko.
You wanna go?
Yeah, nagadugang kisidahan na. So much. Nila, wow, nagadugang kisidahan.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Tilapia.
Sa tilapia.
Are we allowed to catch the fish?
Lemon Dory.
Are we allowed to cook the fish?
Are those catch the fish?
Too much fish. Oh, yes. Nagadugang kisidahan.
Can we go?
Ano sa kirat swim eh?
You go swim, Mariel. There's a life jacket. There's a life jacket.